Hi there. So today we're going to be learning how to use the register key on the clarinet. And if you don't already know, the register key is this key here on the back of the clarinet. And the way it works is we use it when we play our B flat, A to B flat, but we also use it to make the notes on the clarinet go up to the higher register. And what we do is, so when you hold your clarinet, you want to make sure your thumb, you don't want it horizontal, you don't want it vertical, and you don't want it completely horizontal. So this is horizontal, this is vertical. You want it more at a diagonal to the clarinet. And so, for example, when I play a C on the clarinet, I have my 3 fingers down, I have my thumb over the back, and then when I press the register key, I just use the top half of my thumb, like this little bit right here at the tip, to squeeze down that key. So I don't have my thumb here and then slide it up, because what happens when we slide is we sometimes uncover the hole in the back. And the trick to the register key is to keep the hole, your thumb right here over that hole as you squeeze down this key. So you just don't want your thumb to slide up and down to go to the register key. So I have it right about here is where I cover the hole, and then I use the tip of my thumb to press down the key like this, that angle. So the exercise I'm going to use to show you how to use the key is number 118. It's Standard of Excellence, and I'll put it up on the screen for you. And what we do is the first notes are D, C, B flat, and then all we do is press the register key, and the note that comes out is an F on the top line of the staff. And then the next one is, what is it, C, B flat, A. Then we press the register key and we get an E, the top space line on the staff. And again, my thumb stays covered over that hole. C, B flat, A, register key. And the final one is B flat, A, G, and then I squeeze the register key. So I'll put a metronome on just to help with timing on this, but mostly we're just focusing on our fingerings for this. Okay, so again, so get your hand situated so that your thumb is at a diagonal to the clarinet, not straight up and down like this, and not completely out to the side like this, because then you can't quite cover the hole. Okay, here we go. Put it nice and slow. Here we go. First note D. 1, 2. Actually, let me put this a little farther. 1, 2, ready, go. Now I realize you can't see my fingers the way I just did that. Actually, so I'm going to do it sitting this direction. Same fingerings, but I'm just going to do it this way so you can see how my finger stays in the same place and I just squeeze it down on that hole, on that key. Here we go. One more time. 1, 2, ready. And that's it. So practice putting down the register key. And if you're having trouble doing that, just focus on, just do the B flat and then add the register key. Just do the first one and just do it a whole bunch of times, trying not to move your thumb, but just squeeze down the key in the back. Okay, good luck with the register key, and I'll see you next time.